Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Omi, and I review the most insane athletic gear that actually performs. Today, we're talking about something that's going to blow your mind. These are hands down the best shoes to run long distance that I've ever tested, and wait until you see the design. But before we dive in, if this video helps you out, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because we're dropping fire content every week. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so when I first got these in the mail, I thought someone was playing a prank on me. Like, are these running shoes, or did I accidentally order something from a music festival? But let me tell you something. Don't judge a book by its cover because these are legit. Look at this design. We've got vibrant mushroom patterns in electric blues, hot pinks, vivid greens, golden yellows. I mean, this thing is like a rainbow explosion. The mushrooms range from realistic toadstool shapes to these crazy abstract flowing forms with cosmic elements and starbursts. It's like wearing art on your feet. You will find the link of the product in the description if you want to grab a pair for yourself. But here's the thing that shocked me the most. These aren't just pretty faces. The construction is absolutely insane. We're talking lightweight materials, breathable mesh fabric, and get this. They're custom handmade with high-quality rubber outsoles. Let me break down the tech for you guys because this is where it gets interesting. When I'm looking for the best shoes to run long distance, I need specific features, and these deliver on every level. First up, breathability. The mesh upper lining construction is next level. I'm talking maximum airflow, moisture management, the works. Your feet stay dry, even on those brutal 15-mile runs. Look at this. The textile fly-knit mesh upper with synthetic suede overlays. It moves with your foot naturally. And check out this seamless, high-elastic stretch upper. It's like the shoe becomes part of your foot. The midsole game is strong too. We've got EVA insoles, molded soles, and React foam in the forefoot and midsole. That's triple cushioning technology right there. And can we talk about these soles for a second? Some models have air cushioning systems, others have traditional running shoe soles, and a few even have these chunky translucent platform bottoms. The variety is incredible. Please subscribe to the channel if you're loving this detailed breakdown. It really helps me out.
So I've been testing these bad boys for the past 3 weeks, and guys,
I am shook. I've put them through everything. Road runs, trail runs, gym sessions, you name it. Week 1. Started with some easy 5-mile runs. The lace-up closure gives you that snug, secure fit without being too tight. The removable toggle lacing system is genius for quick adjustments. Week 2. Pushed it to 10+ mile runs. This is where most shoes start to show their weaknesses, right? Not these ones. The Phylon rubber outsole combination kept delivering that perfect balance of cushioning and responsiveness. Week 3. Went full send with an 18-mile run. Let me tell you, my feet felt better in these psychedelic mushroom shoes than in my $200 premium running shoes from that big brand everyone knows. The grip is phenomenal too. Those perforations at the outsole aren't just for show, they actually enhance traction and breathability. Here's what separates these from every other shoe on Amazon, the comfort factor. Most running shoes, especially for long distance, they start feeling like bricks after mile 8, right? These maintain their cushioning throughout the entire run. The heel pull tab makes them super easy to slip on and off, which is perfect for those pre- and post-run stretching sessions. And look at this, minimal wear after 3 weeks of hard testing. The high-quality rubber outsole is proving its durability. Most shoes I test show significant wear patterns by now. The loop eyelets create this streamlined look that actually reduces pressure points. It's like they thought of everything. But here's my favorite part, versatility. These aren't just running shoes. I've worn them to the gym, for casual days out, even to a music festival last weekend where they got so many compliments. You will find the link of the product in the description. Seriously, these are selling out fast. Now let's talk about why these blow away the competition, especially those generic options flooding Zasav. First, uniqueness. While everyone else is wearing the same boring black or white shoes, you're making a statement with these psychedelic designs. The confidence boost alone improves your running performance. Second, value. Custom handmade construction at this price point Most premium brands charge 2 to 3x more and give you cookie-cutter designs. Third, the materials. That mesh and PVC combination for ultimate performance. The attention to detail with the thread line being either black or white to complement the design. This is craftsmanship, not mass production. And guys, I've tested shoes from all the major brands and none of them offer this combination of performance, style, and uniqueness. Period. Pros and cons. Let me give you the real talk. Pros first. Unmatched design that starts conversations everywhere. Legitimate long-distance comfort and support. Custom craftsmanship and premium materials. Versatile for multiple activities. Superior breathability and moisture management. Exceptional durability. Testing results. Cons. The bold design isn't for everyone. If you're super conservative with your style, these might not be your vibe. Limited color options, though honestly, who needs more when the design is this fire?
That's literally it. 2 minor cons versus 6 major pros.
The math speaks for itself. Final verdict. So here's my final verdict. If you're searching for the best shoes to run long distance and you want something that performs and expresses your personality, this is it. These shoes prove you don't have to choose between function and style. You get legitimate athletic performance wrapped in an artistic masterpiece that makes every run feel special. The comfort technology is there, the durability is proven, and the uniqueness factor is off the chart. Plus, at this price point with custom handmade construction, it's honestly a steal. I'm giving these a solid 9.5 out of 10. The only reason it's not a perfect 10 is because I want to leave room for when they inevitably make them even more awesome. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell if this review helped you make a decision. All right, YouTube family, that wraps up today's review. Let me know in the comments. Are you ready to ditch those boring running shoes for something with personality? What's your favorite feature about these psychedelic mushroom shoes? The link is in the description if you want to grab a pair. And trust me, your future running self will thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out. Subscribe for more crazy athletic gear reviews. And I'll see you in the next one. Keep running, keep being awesome, and remember, life's too short for boring shoes. Peace out.